Hello and welcome on the channel What to Buy. Today I will show you the best multi-tools from AliExpress. Links on these gadgets below the video. The first in our list is this multi-tool from Xiaomi. A total of 15 tools, more precisely 15 functions, are hidden in the gadget, which at first glance looks like a gadget pocket knife. The functions are in detail: pointed nose pliers, standard pliers, cutting pliers, wire cutter, thick wire cutter, wood saw, knives, Phillips tip screwdriver, thread separator, stripping knife, can opener, bottle opener, slot screwdriver, glass breaker, scissors. Some functions are also more useful in outdoor or camping situations, such as the can opener, the knife and the saw. Classic tools what you might need more regularly are screwdrivers and pliers. The next multi-tool from Xiaomi is also worthy of our attention. He includes 16 tools. In addition to all standard tools, it has a ruler. Also a great and convenient multi-tool. The Compact X from the famous tool manufacturer workpro is equipped with additional accessories: a hex key, a Phillips screwdriver, knives, saws and a bottle opener. All items together make this multi-tool is the perfect companion during trips into the countryside. You can chop wood for the barbecue, cut vegetables and open your favorite drinks. This shovel can replace tools such as an axe, screwdrivers, saw, opener, knife, cutter, harpoon and hex key. The blade of the shovel rotates 90 degrees, which means it will be easier to dig out the stuck car. The handle is removable. If necessary, it can be used as a means of self-defense. The description contains links to several versions of this multi-tool by design and functionality. Thank you for your attention. push the like button and don't forget to subscribe.